10.3 includes great tools for building web applications. In the next few minutes, you are going to look at some tools that are available both in ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Server. Everything starts with a web map, where you can combine different layers of information and define the behavior of your geographic features. Once you have a web map, you can start out of the box configuring your web applications. Let's have a look at the different templates, like the new GeoForm for your crowdsourcing applications, or maybe the new Story Map Journal, which will let you tell great stories through maps over the web. Let's have a look at Web AppBuilder, which is a great tool for configuring web applications completely from scratch. Of course, you can define the look and feel of the apps, like where your tools are going to show up, or maybe the colors of your configuration. But most importantly, in Web AppBuilder, you can take advantage of the most sophisticated functionality included with ArcGIS Server, such as drawing, geoprocessing models, and high-quality printing. Let's configure the geoprocessing widget, which is going to use a model builder model, that will help me identify the valves that I need to close in a water network in order to isolate a water leak. Now that my widgets have been configured, you can see them here, you can try them out even in design mode, although in this particular case, we're going to save our configuration and launch it. Let's have a look at the app and make sure that the pop-ups actually reflect the options in your web map, the drawing tools, the geoprocessing model. Let's execute it. Beautiful. We get the valves that we need to close, 2 of them, as well as all the customer connections. You will notice that through the layer list widget, we can also even open the attribute table for the different layers in the map. And from here, I can select a few records and maybe export them into a CSV file. That's okay, but we can do actually better. Let's go back to the design view in Web AppBuilder. You will notice that every configuration you create is going to run perfectly on different devices, like these smartphones and tablets. Here are some previews. Just to prove the point, I'm going to use my QR code reader, and you will see that right from my phone, I can open the app we configured and use it. The user experience, of course, is optimized, so we can make use of the limited real estate in the device, but the functionality remains the same. I can still use my geoprocessing model and execute it. So imagine just doing this advanced analytics right from the field, from my smartphone. It's all possible with Web AppBuilder.